Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Los Angeles Loft Market Report, real estate statistics for February. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet for any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you can sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Here is downtown Los Angeles, and here's what's happening to the real estate market. You can see it's going down and down and down. This is the real estate news. LA loft home prices fall again. February of 2020 saw 205 listings sold, which is a slight improvement over last year, February 2019. And that's a much-needed little bit of good news for local real estate agents who rely on completed transactions for their livelihood. Unfortunately, however, most other real estate news for February is not so good. Homes took longer to sell, with most homes taking 64 days more compared to 50 days last year. Taking 64 days or more compared to 50 days last year. So it's getting worse as far as homes taking longer to sell. Lofts, if you want to sell your loft, you now need to allow 64 days unless you're going to price it appropriately to sell faster. Lower priced homes are performing better than the luxury homes. The higher priced homes are going to take longer, and they have fewer buyers. The average home price dropped from $787,454 last February to $726,656 this February. That number seems a little bit high, but it might have just been because of the month. However, so you're looking at $65,000 less. So it's significant, the amount the prices are going down. And that, according to MLS statistics for downtown and nearby loft neighborhoods, including Lincoln Heights. The falling prices for February that we're seeing confirms the down January numbers, which reinforced other previous data showing that 2020 is starting off to be another down year for loft prices in and around downtown Los Angeles, as 2019 was a down year, and it's going down even more this year. Here are the reader questions from the smartest people, the people who really know what's going on in downtown Los Angeles real estate. I'm just here to help. These are the people that are really, they have the best information when you look at all the readers of the LA Loft blog combined, plus the questions they ask, the things they look at, really lets us know exactly what's going on in urban Los Angeles real estate. Okay, for the first question, where can I find Puerto del Sol, Lincoln Heights property management? Well, for help with finding condo lease tenants, if you own a condo at Puerto del Sol in Lincoln Heights, I live about a block away from there, and can help you find tenants for condos for lease. If you're leasing out your condo or your loft, call 213-880-9910, and you will get a list of recently leased out units, and you'll see exactly what renters have been paying for recently. What is the status of 900 West Olympic Boulevard, Unit 32H at the Los Angeles Ritz-Carlton? The answer is 900 West Olympic Boulevard, number 32H. That zip code is 90015, by the way. That unit is not on the market. The condo is 1,750 square feet. It's built in 2010, and the current owner, according to public records, is Regalian LLC. You can get more information on that property and others by clicking on this link right here. What is the adaptive reuse ordinance in Los Angeles? The answer is that is the Los Angeles law that regulates the conversion of industrial and commercial buildings for residential use. You can get more details on the Adaptive Reuse Ordinance by clicking on this right there. So here are the Loft topics, the hottest topics of this week. Mills Act downtown Los Angeles, which has been the number one topic for like 2 years now. Lofts for lease, live work lofts in downtown LA versus residential studio apartments. That's been a popular topic because people want to understand and differentiate between a loft and a studio apartment, as an example. Neighborhoods in downtown Los Angeles. You can click here to see all the neighborhoods and what is for sale and for lease in each neighborhood. The Arts District. Someone just called me today to say that they are tired in the craziness has just gotten too out of hand in the historic core. This is after we have complained, and we're going to write, I think I'm going to write one article specifically about Garcetti and the city of Los Angeles government allowing homeless people to do whatever the hell they want in the historic core of downtown Los Angeles. Because traditionally people have accepted and been willing to deal with the homeless that live in Skid Row. But Skid Row is a very confined little neighborhood, whereas the historic core is bigger, more important, and it's really unacceptable to me and to the person who called me today. Found it to be very unacceptable, not acceptable, to have all these tent cities in the historic core. So 2-story condos, 2-level lofts with mezzanines in downtown Los Angeles, homes for sale. The coronavirus infects Los Angeles housing market. How are public health and real estate connected? And here's the last topic, the loft rentals, huge live work loft for lease. This is an old thing here. There's nothing for lease. There's a big, huge unit for sale in at the Alta Lofts. So take a look at that. And instead of renting, you can actually own, I think it's the same unit that is on this link here. And just put down 0% to 2%. And that way you own it instead of having you won't have your rent going up all the time. All right. Find out what your neighbor's loft sold for, so you could really get to know exactly what lofts are selling for today. Just get a list of recently sold lofts by filling out this online form, and you'll get a detailed listing of all the recent home sales and all active listings in your area or any area. It's a very short form here. All right, and here's a 2-story loft right here. This is one at the Packard Lofts, which is hot this week. The Packard Lofts. And so if you want to see Packard Lofts and other 2-story rentals, let me know. If you'd rather own a place, then we can send you places for sale. All right, thanks for taking a look. As I mentioned, a property information packet on any of these properties or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910 now. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for listening. You take care. Bye-bye.